Good morning children. Today we are going to exercise 9.3 page 9.17 from RT. First I am going to calc the sum, solve and check. 3x plus 5 by 4x plus 2 is equal to 3x plus 4 by 4x plus 7. How to solve this equation? So directly you can go for cross multiplication. Normal linear equation form you should get. For that you have to cross multiply. That means 3x plus 5 must be multiplied by 4x plus 7. 3x plus 5 into 4x plus 7. This and this we are multiplying is equal to 4x plus 2 into 3x plus 4. Cross multiplication I am doing. So 3x plus 5 into 4x plus 7 is equal to 4x plus 2 into 3x plus 4. How to multiply this? This type of multiplication you did not learn so far. Okay. This expression is having two terms. This is also having two terms. This is multiplication of binomial into binomial. For example, you are asked to multiply 37 into 23. How you have multiplied this? 37 must be multiplied by 3. Then 37 must be multiplied by 2. The same way we are following here. That means 4x plus 7 must be multiplied by 3x. 4x plus 7 must be multiplied by 5. So 3x into 4x plus 7. This multiplied by these two terms plus second number is what? 5 multiplied by 4x plus 7. So far you have seen two terms multiplied by only one term. Now here two terms multiplied by two terms, binomial into binomial. This first number multiplied by this expression, then second number multiplied by this expression is equal to same way 4x into 3x plus 4 plus 2 into 3x plus 4. Now so 3x into 4x, 3 4s are 12, x into x becomes x square, 12x square plus 3x into 7, 7 3s are 21, 21x plus 5 into 4x, 5 4s are 20x plus 5 7s are 35 is equal to 4x into 3x, 4 3s are 12, x into x becomes x square, 12x square plus 4x into 4, 4 4s are 16x plus 2 into 3x, 2 3s are 6x plus 2 4s are 8. Nothing I did. These two terms I have multiplied by 3x. 3x into 4, 3 4s are 12, x into x becomes x square. 3x into 7, 7 3s are 21, into x is 21x. Next 5 into 4x, 5 4s are 20, so plus 20x. Plus 5 7s are 35 is equal to 4x into 3x. 4 3s are 12. X into x is x square. So 12x square plus 4x into 4 is 4 4s are 16x plus 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6x plus 2 4s are 8. Now combine the like terms and simplify. What happens? X square term only one you have in LHS plus 21x plus 20x is how much? 41x. 21 plus 20 is how much? 41x plus 35 is equal to 12x square plus 16x plus 6x is 22. 16 plus 6 is 22x plus 8. 12x square plus 41x plus 35 is equal to 12x square plus 22x plus 8. Okay, you may ask me a question, teacher, this is linear equations, now why did we get power 2? Because in the beginning I told you that Linear equation means the power of the variable should be 1, isn't it? So here you are getting 2. Whenever you get like this, in that question, in that particular question, that term may get cancelled when you transpose. So now transpose 12x square. This is coming. So this becomes minus 12x square. Here plus 41x. From RHS it is coming. So this becomes minus 22x is equal to, in RHS you have 8 plus 35 is going to up right side, becomes minus 35. So this is plus 12x square minus 12x square. 12 minus 12 becomes 0. So you can cancel like this. This whole term becomes 0. Okay. Get cancelled. Now 41x minus 22 is how much? 41 minus 22 is 19. 19x is equal to minus 27. Therefore, x is equal to how much? Minus 27 by 19. X is equal to minus 27 by 19. Now, let's go to verification. So, verification, LHS what is given? 3x plus 5 by 4x plus 2. 3x plus 5 by 4x plus 2. This can be, by means, this can be taken as 3x plus 5 divided by 4x plus 2. 3x plus 5 divided by 4x plus 2. X is equal to how much we got? Minus 27 by 19. Now I am substituting 3 into minus 27 by 19 plus 5 divided by 4 into minus 27 by 19 plus 2. Okay. So this one 3 sevens are 21, 3 twos are 6, 7. Minus 81 by 19 plus 5 by 1 divided by 4 sevens are 28, 2, 4 twos are 8, 9, 10. Minus 108 by 19 plus 2. Now simplify this. 19 is LCM. So minus 81. 19 into 5 is 5 nines are 45, 4, 95. 19 fives are 95 divided by LCM is 19 minus 108. 19 twos are 38. So 95 minus 81 is 14. So 14 by 19 divided by minus 108. 108 minus 38. 0, 10 minus 3 is 7. So minus 70 by 19. Now how to divide this? 14 by 19 into its inverse. So 19 by minus 19 by 70. This becomes, this is 14 ones are 14 fives are is equal to minus 1 by 5. A rational number divided by rational number. Dividend into inverse of the divisor. So this becomes 19 by minus 70 or minus 19 by 70. LHS you got minus 1 by 5. Now let me substitute this in RHS. RHS what is given? 3x plus 4 by 4x plus 7. So this is 3x plus 4 divided by 4x plus 7. 3 into x. X is how much? Minus 27 by 19. 3 into minus 27 by 19 plus 4 divided by 4 into minus 27 by 19 plus 7. So this is 3 sevens are 21 minus 81 by 19 plus 4 divided by 4 sevens are 28, 9, 10. Minus 108 by 19 plus 7. So LCM is 19. This is minus 81. 19 fours are 76 divided by minus 19 is LCM minus 108. 19 sevens are 7 nines are 63. 6 7 plus 6 is 13. 133. So minus 81 by 19 plus 4. LCM is 14 minus 81. 19 fours are 76. Divided by 19 is LCM minus 108 plus 19 into 7 is 133. Now 81 minus minus 81 plus 76 is how much? Minus 5. 9 divided 19 divided by 133 minus 108. 133 minus 108 is how much? 25. 133 minus 108. 13 minus 8 is 5, 2. So this is 25 by 19. Now minus 5 by 19 into, this is inverse. So 19 by 25. 19 goes 5 ones are 5 fives are. This is equal to minus 1 by 5. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. LHS we got minus 1 by 5. RHS also we got minus 1 by 5. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Hence it is verified. Now next sum. Eighteenth sum. 2x minus of 7 minus 5x by 9x minus 3 plus 4x is equal to 7 by 6. 2x minus 7 minus 5x by 9x minus of 3 plus 4x is equal to 7 by 6. So here normal form of linear equation you should get cross multiplication. So before going to cross multiplication you remove the bracket. It becomes easy. So this becomes 2x minus 7 minus into minus becomes plus 5x by 9x. This is minus 3. If this is minus plus minus 4x is equal to 7 by 6. Now combine these like terms. 2x plus 5x is 7x minus 7 by 9x minus 4x is 5x. 5x minus 3 is equal to 7 by 6. Now you can go for cross multiplication. There also you can cross multiply 6 into this and 6 into this. Then 7 into 9x, 7 into this one. So if you simplify like this it becomes easy and you will get in simplest form. So now cross multiply 6 into 7x minus 7 is equal to 7 into 5x minus 3. 6 into this, 7 into this one. So how much you will get? 6 sevens are 42x plus into minus minus 6 sevens are 42 is equal to 7 fives are 35x minus 7 threes are 21. Now transpose 35x is coming this side. So 42x minus 35x is equal to RHS you have minus 21. This is coming from left side. So becomes positive plus 42. 42 minus 35 is how much? 12 minus 5 is 7. 7x is equal to 21. 42 minus 21 is 21. 7x is equal to 21. Therefore x is equal to how much? 21 by 7. That is equal to 3. X is equal to 3. Now let me go to verification. LHS what is given? Only in LHS you have variable x. So we will substitute only in LHS. 2x minus 7 minus 5x by 9x minus 3 plus 4x. X is equal to 3 we got. So this is equal to 2 into 3 is 2 into 3 minus 7 minus 5 into 3. X is equal to 3. So 5 into 3 by 9 into 3 minus 3 plus 4 into x. That is 4 into 3. So this is 2 3s are 6. 5 3s are, this is 3. 5 3s are 15. So 7 minus 15 by 9 3s are 27 minus 3 plus 4 3s are 12. First multiply and then add. So 7 minus 15 is how much? Minus 8. This is equal to 6 minus of minus 8 by 27 minus 15. 6 minus of minus 8 becomes minus of minus becomes plus. So 6 plus 8 by 27 minus 15. 7 minus 5 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. So that is 14 by 12 you will get. 2 to 7s are 14, 2 6 are is equal to 7 by 6. What is RHS given? 7 by 6. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Hence it is verified. Now I'll go to 19th sum. 15 into 2 minus x minus 5 into x plus 6 by 1 minus 3x is equal to 10. 15 into 2 minus x minus 5 into x plus 6 by 1 minus 3x is equal to 10. First remove these brackets. 2 minus x into 15. 15 2s are 30 minus 15 into x is 15x minus this is minus and this is plus. So plus into minus becomes minus. 5 into x is 5x, that is minus 5x. Minus into plus becomes minus. 5 6 are 30 by 1 minus 3x is equal to 10. Now combine these like terms and simplify. Plus 30 and minus 30 becomes 0. So plus 30 minus 30. These are like terms. 30 minus 30 minus 15x minus 5x by 1 minus 3x is equal to 10 by 1. Plus 30 minus 30 becomes 0. 30 minus 30 is 0. Minus 15x minus 5x is minus 20x. Is equal to, this is going that side into, so 10 into 1 minus 3x. This is divided by into, so 10 into. Minus 20x is equal to 10 ones are 10, 10 threes are 30. So minus 30x. Minus 30x will come to LHS. Minus 20x plus 30x is equal to 10. So what happens? 30 minus 20 is 10. 10x is equal to 10. Therefore, x is equal to how much? 10 by 10, which is equals to 1. X is equal to 1. Now, verification. Only in LHS we have variable LHS 15 into 2 minus x minus 5 into x plus 6 by 1 minus 3x. This is given in LHS. X value you got 1. So substitute x is equal to 1. 15 into 2 minus 1 minus 5 into x is 1. 1 plus 6 by 1 minus 3 into 1. because x we got 1. So this is 2 minus 1 is 1. 15 into 1 becomes 15 minus 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 into 5. 7 5s are 35 by 1 minus 3 into 1 is 3. So 35 minus 15 is how much? Minus 20 by 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Minus you can cancel. 2 tens are 20. So RHS what is given? 10. LHS how much we got? 10. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS, hence it is verified. So today's homework is exercise 9.3, 4, 8, 23. Only these 3 sums you have to do in your RD notes. Only selected problems we will do from RD.